Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Dangerous. Let me tell you how to play safely on the playground equipment. Listen up.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Tonight, dude.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic court.
Shannon, it was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
Please stop.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius. He's going to get you!
Our cypress fire headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe...
Ven, tractorcito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darrell, will win the season.
Miss Frenna's Racing School! And I can help you change.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
No thank you, Gordon. I'm sure Mr. Giraffe will do what I tell him.
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Making this guy so long. Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
To fix that road is Big Al.
Busy? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Old timers like this guy.
Right. Storm achieves his time.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't the...
I get scared.
Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left.
That just...
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz de los...
I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but I wish...
Kochira, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
It is?